Hi there! Today we're going to walk through how to cancel your Toggle VPN subscription right from your phone. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Let's get started. Open the Toggle VPN app on your phone. Head to Settings, then tap Account. Still in the Account section, look for the Manage Subscription button and give it a tap. The app will redirect you to a secure page in your browser. Scroll a bit until you see Cancel Subscription and tap the button. The system will now ask you for a quick confirmation of the cancellation. That's it. Once you confirm, your account will no longer be charged. And there's two more important things to remember. First, your subscription will stay active until the very last day of your billing cycle, so feel free to keep enjoying Toggle VPN to the fullest. You've already paid for it. And second, if you ever change your mind, you can resubscribe anytime in just a few clicks. We'll be right here, ready to keep your connection safe and private. The process is similar if you're canceling Toggle VPN subscription using your desktop. You visit the toggle.org website, log into your account using your security code, navigate to the subscription page, click the button saying Cancel Subscription, and complete the process by following the instructions on the screen. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for hanging out and have a great day. Take care.